Have you ever wondered how a rainbow appears after a rain shower? It's like magic, right? Well, today, we're going to reveal the secret recipe for creating one of nature's most beautiful phenomena. Before we dive into the recipe, let's understand what a rainbow actually is. Simply put, a rainbow is an optical phenomenon caused by the reflection, refraction, and dispersion of light in water droplets, resulting in a spectrum of light appearing in the sky. The first essential ingredient for our rainbow recipe is sunlight. Sunlight, which appears white to our eyes, is actually made up of all the colors of the rainbow combined. Next up, we need countless tiny water droplets. These droplets, whether from rain, mist, or even a waterfall, act like tiny prisms in the sky. Now for the magic. When sunlight hits a water droplet, it first bends, or refracts, as it enters. Then, it bounces off the back of the droplet, reflecting, and bends again as it exits. This process separates the white sunlight into its individual colors, just like a prism. Each color of light bends at a slightly different angle when it enters and exits the water droplet. Red light bends the least, and violet light bends the most. This is why we see the distinct bands of color, from red on the outside to violet on the inside. So there you have it, the secret recipe for a rainbow. It's a perfect blend of sunlight and water droplets, choreographed by the laws of physics to create one of nature's most breathtaking light shows. The next time you see a rainbow, you'll know exactly what magic is at play.